车顶看见烟叶，田和树林嘛受到严重污染。当家的火山爆炸，影响等4天才公开，电话嘛伫咧昨总算开通。
When the first explosion happened, our ears were ringing. We couldn't even hear each other. So all we do was mimically pointing to our families to get up, to get ready to run.
火山爆炸，耳孔鬼啊雄雄叽叽叫。根据美国地质调查所 USGS 的专家，当家火山爆炸是地球139年来上大声的一摆。挖1万公里远的阿拉斯加嘛会当听会到。啊，美国太空总署 NASA 专家嘛公布，当家火山爆炸的威力比广岛原子弹爆炸的500倍更加厉害，和台湾的9粒大地震嘛讲差不多伫咧46粒原子弹这么强。
What we are concerned now is clean drinking water, because most of our drinking tap water has been affected by the dust.
加在纽西兰军舰载25万公升会当啉的水含规则海水淡化厂，预计伫咧明仔载就送到位。太平洋沿海地区受到海中影响，灾情也未煞。 秘鲁的海沙堡变甲真垃圾，原来当地渔港敢若受到海中影响破去，互海豹和海鸥拢死伫咧海内底。日本鹿儿岛冒青干鱼敢若大了小崩，规定死去。一摆当家的火山爆炸引起全球的生态危机。